Ladies and gentlemen, creating engaging quizzes for your website or training program used to mean hours of tedious data entry and formatting. But if you could, let's say, automate the entire process and generate a professional assessment literally within seconds, keep watching to discover the ultimate quiz maker you need to create a quiz online. Let's get into it. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, once you officially get logged in to what is known as Pro Profs, I want you guys to understand it's super easy and simple to get started. All right. So, very important, very top left of the website, you'll actually see once you log in on the dashboard, we got Training Maker, we got Quiz Maker, we even have Survey Maker. So, technically, there's a lot of stuff that you can do here. Today, we're just going to do a quick quiz. We're going to go over here to create quiz. And you guys will see that you have this little prompt, right? This little box. You're going to be able to easily put something in here. So, for example, we got create a 10 question scored quiz titled Entrepreneurship Knowledge Test designed to assess participants' understanding of basics. All right. So, very important. Okay. So, technically, the basics of, let's say, entrepreneurship concepts. Let's actually add that in there. So there you go. Okay. So then we're going to click right here, generate quiz. I want you guys to understand also you can upload. So, you can upload PDF, docs, TXT, whatever you prefer. We're just going to go ahead and click over here to generate. So I want you guys to understand you can easily watch the AI instantly do all the heavy lifting and research for you. Does everything right here. Okay. This is the absolute fastest way, in my opinion, to get your online assessment up and running without starting an entire blank page. Okay. So you guys will actually see right here. I mean, it's done everything, right? So we got 10 questions. All right. What is the primary goal of an entrepreneur? Which of the following is a common source of funding for startups? That's actually a good one. I like that. Okay. Wow. Look at these answers. Pretty cool. A business plan typically includes which of the following sections, right? True or false? Entrepreneurs are always risk takers, right? So you guys can see like there's a lot of quizzes, right? I guess I should say a lot of questions for this quiz, but not only that, you have a lot of answers. You guys, this thing did this within, I don't even know how fast that was, probably about 20 to 30 seconds, right? Which is actually really cool. All right. So, you guys, I want you to understand whether you are an educator or let's say a marketer or let's say an HR professional, ProPref's Quiz Maker, this is technically the tool that I think that you need. All right. Especially to quiz online seamlessly, right? Very important you guys understand that. Okay. So technically, it supports everything from highly secure score tests for employee training retention to fun viral personality quizzes designed to capture leads. Okay, which is actually awesome. Okay, very important you guys understand that. I also want you guys to understand, and there's other things that you could do as well. So if we actually go down here to the bottom, you guys will see that we have themes. So we do have popular themes. So this is a themes button. All right. But I want you guys to understand you can usually change like the background, just kind of giving an example here. Okay. So this is actually pretty cool. Okay. I like that. I like that a lot. Not only that, you guys, but I want you guys to understand you can even upload a, let's say, a mock company logo. Okay. Which is actually pretty cool as well. You can change the layouts. You can see that, right? So pretty cool. Yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do, right? We even have custom. Okay. Once again, you can change this. There's a lot of things that you can edit. You can completely customize the visual experience so that the quiz actually matches your website perfectly. So once again, logo, right? We have backgrounds, right? We got font color. We have font family, we have font size, we even have buttons, okay? And then we even have alignments, all right? So I want you guys to understand that. So technically, you guys, you can easily embed multimedia, like let's say even YouTube videos, images, and even audio clips directly into your questions to make them highly interactive, all right? So I want you guys to understand that, okay? So you guys can even see, so obviously we got like settings, we got send, we even have reports. Okay. You can go over here. Obviously, you can keep track of everything as well, like for your quizzes. Okay. But I also want you guys to understand you can go over here to like all questions. You can see exactly how these are. And then what else do we got? Well, we even have like results. Okay. So results, we got the pass and fail. You can do letter grading as well, good or excellent. You can create the scores. You can create once again, we have the popular themes. All right. So technically, you guys, the platform actually automatically grades the quizzes in real time. Okay. That removes the need for any type of manual review. So reviewing one by one, right? So it removes that for your entire team, which is great. It can even grade and suggest feedback, let's say for essay type questions. So obviously, if you are an instructor, regardless of the industry or whatever you're using this for, I want you guys to understand that using this, right, you can get feedback for essay type questions, right? So the instructor, such as you, can adjust the score. You can adjust the feedback for essay questions before actually releasing the report to the quiz takers. Okay, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, now you can even easily attach a lead capture firm to the start or end of your quiz. So we're talking about before actually revealing the results to collect names and email addresses, sending them directly into your CRM. Okay. So a lot of different things that you guys can actually do here. All right. So once again, you guys, we got ProProf's Quiz Maker. All right. It combines incredibly fast AI generation, deep customization, and robust automated grading and reporting into one easy to use platform. Okay, which is great. Okay, now it also offers advanced security settings like they got password protection, they got time limits and proctoring, anti cheating measures, which is absolutely perfect, especially for corporate compliance testing. Okay, so there's a lot of things you can do here. And once again, you got Training Maker, you got the Quiz Maker, Survey Maker, we got users, classroom, instructors, all that jazz. All right. So check it out, you guys. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to build engaging assessments in record time? Well, check out the link down below in the description to try ProProf's Quiz Maker today and launch your first quiz literally within minutes. Not only that, be sure to smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell me how do you feel. We'll see you in the next one.